What are you a fan of? Maybe you love anime, superheroes, movies, or maybe video games. Well, today I'm going to show you something really fun about fandom here where I live. What's fandom, you ask? Well, fandom means being a fan of something like comics, movies, anime, or games. It's the feeling that when you love a story or a character or a world so much that you want to celebrate it with others. And sometimes fans get together at a big event called a con, which is short for convention, to share that love. Today, we're visiting one of the biggest cons in Canada, the Calgary Expo. Let's take a look. The Calgary Expo started in 2005 as a small comic book event. Back then, it was mostly about comics and local artists, but over time, it grew bigger and bigger. Now, it's one of Canada's largest fan conventions with around 100,000 visitors every year. Today, the Calgary Expo celebrates not just comics, but also movies, TV shows, anime, games, and especially cosplay, when people dress up as their favorite characters. Maybe you've been to a Comic-Con in Taiwan, like Fancy Frontier or Comic World Taipei. Calgary Expo is a little like that, but it's spread over a much larger area. Calgary Expo is spread out over 4 days. Every day has something special: shopping, celebrity panels, cosplay contests, and games. But it's especially well known around Calgary because of the Parade of Wonders, or POW for short. POW is a big, colorful parade where hundreds of cosplayers march through downtown Calgary. It's a way for the whole city to join in the celebration of fandom and creativity. So, what can visitors do at the expo? A lot. You can dress up as your favorite character and join the cosplay events. You can meet famous actors, voice actors, and artists. You can shop for comics, anime posters, video games, toys, and collectibles in the huge vendor hall. You can listen to panels where celebrities and creators answer fan questions. You can try food from trucks, and they have just about every food you can imagine. And of course, you can make new friends, because everyone here shares the same love for pop culture. The costumes. The costumes are everywhere. The expo is like a giant showcase for creativity. Some costumes are handmade, others are bought and customized. Some people spend months getting their costumes ready just for this event. And again, one of the best things about the expo is the people. The cosplayers are all very friendly and kind to each other. They don't just show off their costumes, they celebrate each other's creativity. You'll often hear people giving compliments, saying things like, "Wow, your costume looks amazing." It's really warm, supportive atmosphere. Everyone is there to have fun and to cheer each other on. Another big attraction at Calgary Expo is the chance to meet some of your favorite artists, actors, and creators from comic books, movies, and TV shows. Every year, the Expo brings in famous celebrities. This year, some of the biggest names were Michael J. Fox and Christopher Lloyd from Back to the Future, John Boyega from Star Wars, and Nicholas Hoult from X-Men. Now, I'm not really sure you know how famous these stars are in Taiwan, but trust me, they are very well known in Canada and the US. And don't forget the amazing comic book artists and writers too. You can meet them, talk with them, and even ask them to create a special drawing just for you. It's an amazing way to meet the people behind the stories. And of course, there's shopping. You can find just about anything you might like that's connected to your favorite anime shows, movies, or games. They sell costumes, toys, posters, video games, art prints, even detailed props and weapons from famous movies and games. If you want to dress up like a superhero or find a sword from your favorite video game, you can find it here. They even have, I'm not really sure exactly what the spiders and snakes have to do with the expo, but they're here too. Now, before we go, I asked some fans to say a special hello just for you in Taiwan. We're there.
Hi, Taiwan. Hello, Taiwan.
You got it. Thank you very much, sir. All right, that's a little bit of my day at the Calgary Expo. From amazing costumes to meeting stars to finding cool treasures and eating fun food, there's something here for everyone. So now, I have a few questions for you. What are you a fan of? Is there a comic, movie, anime, or a game that you really love? Have you ever been to a fan event or a cosplay festival in Taiwan? I would love to hear what you're excited about. Be sure to let me know. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time here. Bye-bye.